Hi there, today I'm unboxing a product I purchased on Take a Look. Inside here is the FL Studio Producer Edition. The reason why I'm doing this unboxing is simply because I read the online reviews and most of them stated that inside this box there's just a piece of paper with a password on it. Now granted most of those reviews are older reviews with the latest one being from 2024. I want to see what I got with my package for 2026. So we can go ahead and do the unboxing now. So join me. Here we go. Okay, so as you can see, here's the box. Here's the box. Just get it in frame. There we go. Okay, you can see it's the box sealed. There's something inside. Um, let's take. Let's remove the plastic. It's just the box. Looks like a manual. Box, a manual, and an activation key. I can't show you guys the activation key, but here's the manual. It's the box. That's the only thing that was inside. I guess, like I said, I was more interested in the software itself. So I'll just keep the box and the manual. So as you guys can see, most of the reviews were correct. It's just the box and there's a password. And that's all you get. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope it will help you decide whether you want to purchase FL Studio Producer Edition. There you have it. Producer Edition FL Studio. It's just the box, user manual, and the activation key.